Hey girls, it's Jenny with Fun and Perfect. There's a new bag hitting the store in 2022 and I can't wait to show you. Hey girls, I am so excited. Planner Perfect is coming out with another bag. You could use it how you want. It makes a fabulous planner bag, planning accessory bag, and or you could do it as a makeup bag. But either way, however you want to use it, it's different than the bags that we have in our store now. And it is gorgeous and will be available in several of our leathers. So stay tuned. I'm going to switch you around and show you what I got that's coming. Hi girls, I cannot wait to show you this. This is hitting our store 2022 in a wide variety of colors that we have. This is in willow. And this is different than our everyday bag. I'm going to show you. This is our everyday bag. This is in the store now. Comes with the daisy. All of our stuff will come with that daisy. It is fully lined and smells divine and is absolutely gorgeous. This is in Roxanne. This will come in this bag will come in a wide array of colors, and they are kind of leaking out. Right now we have 3 colors. Stay tuned for another video that I have to show you those colors more in depth. So this is the everyday bag. This one is a different bag. I don't have a name for it or anything quite just yet, but this is like a traditional travel bag. You can see the handle, absolutely stunning. Again, this is in the willow leather, has our branding on the front. Gorgeous gold zipper with the daisy pull. I mean, hi. Then this will last you a lifetime. What is so cool about this, right now I'm using this for, I'm using this as a planner accessory bag. Let me just show you the cool stuff that's in this. Okay, well, number one, look at how cool this looks just coming out of the bag. Okay, I love our pocket size books. I mean, holla. Then I've got just some of my planning accessories. I really can't live without this. I've got some different markers and such, but let me tell you what's so cool about this is that there's these pockets. So literally can be putting in here anything you want, including washi. As you can see, it tucked in. 2 bags, 2 pockets, I mean, and then a zipper pouch over here. I have some paper clips in here at the moment, but do you see this? Do you see this? I mean, so as a travel companion, you can see how jewelry would go perfect in here. And my gosh, anything you can dream up could go in there to take with you to travel. It's the new everyday kind of new bag that you can out and about bag, more or less, I think. But the name of this is coming, but this is coming in 2022. This is in the willow leather. That is, some is already launched now, but she should be here in 2021. And, but yeah, girls, look at this cool bag that's coming in 2022. Get excited about it. It's coming.